last functionality that I would like to show you is how to prepare drawing for plotting. In the first step, we'll prepare the plot area. In the dialog box, I will select the format of the paper, which will be A0 in my example. I will use the landscape orientation, and in the frame settings I will use to plot both layout and the longitudinal section. I will leave and use the default other parameters, the same as right and left spaces, and I will click OK. Now I can see that there are two frames drawn, one for the layout and another for the profile. What is important here, that the frame is dynamic, which means that you can still adapt it to your needs. For example, I can move it, I can stretch it. I will run the arrange to paper command, and here I'll define the template paper space, select the layout 1, and arrangement to paper will be all papers in one layout. There is also an option to insert the title block and fold it to A4. Once I click OK, I get the drawing prepared for plotting. So I can type the plot command in the command line, select the plotter, which will be the AutoCAD PDF, and I will select the format, the paper format size, which will be the A0, and if I check the preview, you can see how it looks like.